ancient stone. Golden streets become our own. Through the alley, step by step, secrets Cagliari has kept.
Colored windows, open skies, summer shining in your eyes. Every corner pulls me through, up the hill to something new.
Hear the bells above the town,
feel the sunlight pouring down.
Come with me, we're climbing high,
closer to the Sardinian sky.
Cagliari, take me higher.
Sardinia,
Hearts on fire, blue below and gold above.
every street is made for love.
Cagliari,
Come alive,
feel the city, feel the vibe. Oh, beneath the sun,
Cagliari, we are one. Ancient walls beneath my hand, stories written in this land. Cathedral rising white and proud, church bells floating through the crowd.
little stairways lead us on,
Through the shadows into dawn,
then the city opens wide.
sea and rooftop side by side.
Higher, higher through Castello,
Stone turns warm and sunlight yellow.
one more corner, one more view.
Suddenly the whole world's blue.
Cagliari,
Take me higher,
Sardinia,
hearts on fire.
blue below and gold above.
Every street is made for love.
Cagliari,
Come alive,
feel the city, feel the vibe. Oh, beneath the sun,
Cagliari, we are one. From the old town to the sea,
every road feels wild and free.
from the rooftops to the bay.
I could walk these streets all day.
Oh, Cagliari,
Stay with me tonight,
oh, Sardinia.
everything feels right. Cagliari,
Take me higher,
golden city,
endless fire.
ancient walls and ocean blue.
Every road comes back to you.
Cagliari, don't let go.
Feel that Mediterranean glow.
Ooh, beneath the sun,
Cagliari, we are one. One last look across the blue.
Cagliari.
I'll come back.